Hello everyone, this is video number 4 for ICSE 10th Maths Equation of a Straight Line. In our previous video, we did the sums from M.L. Aggarwal till question number 15. Today we are going to start from question number 16. My name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching Arpita classes. Let's get started. Question number 16 says, find the gradient of the line passing through the following pairs of points. There are two pairs of points given. You need to find out the gradient of the line. Gradient means what? You need to find out the slope. Slope or gradient is the same thing. Okay? So when two points are given, let us consider the first point is A, which is denoted by x1, y1 and which is given to you as 0, -2. Second point I am considering as B, which is denoted as x2, y2 and which is given to you as 3, 4. So these are the 2 points and we need to find out the gradient. So we'll write now gradient, that is m is equal to, we have a formula when 2 points are given, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So now put the values, y2 is 4, 4 minus y1 is -2 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0. So now let us calculate it. 4 minus and minus is plus 2 upon 3, which is your 6 upon 3, that is 2. So the gradient of the first pair of point is 2. Okay? I hope everyone understood. The formula for the gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let us do the second sum also. In the second sum, let us consider P, which is denoted by x1, y1 and which is given to you as 3, -7. I am considering that as P. And another point Q, which is denoted by x2, y2 and which is given as -1, 8. Okay? So we need to find out the gradient. So you can write down gradient m. Please write the formula always y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Put the values, y2 is 8 minus y1 is -7 upon x2, that is -1 minus x1 is 3. So calculate 8 plus 7 upon -4, which gives us -15 upon 4. Okay, so when 2 points are given, we can find out the slope or the gradient of the line as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let us start with the next question. Question number 17. The coordinates of 2 points E and F are 0, 4 and 3, 7 respectively. Find the gradient of EF, the equation of EF and the coordinates of the point where the line EF intersects the x-axis. So 2 points are given here, E, which can be denoted as x1, y1 and which is your 0, 4 and F, which can be denoted as x2, y2 and which is given as 3, 7. The first question is we need to find out the gradient. We just did in the previous question, that is gradient. How to find out the gradient when 2 points are given to you? The formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So now put the values here, y2 is 7 minus y1 is 4, x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0. So here you are getting 3 upon 3, that is 1. So this is the gradient of the line EF. Second thing, they are asking for the equation of EF. Equation of EF. Now see, we have 2 points, so we can find out the equation by 2 points form, or we found out the gradient also, so we can find out the equation by slope point form. Either of these you can use, okay? So equation of EF, I am using 2 points form. First we'll write down the form y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the 2 points form. Now put the values, y minus y1 is 4, y2 is 7 minus 4, x minus x1 is 0, x2 is 3 minus 0. So y minus 4 upon 3, here x upon 3, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Y minus 4 is x, or y is equal to x plus 4. So this is the equation of the line EF. Now third thing they are asking, you have to find out the coordinates of the point where the line EF intersects the x-axis. Now suppose if I draw a rough diagram, if suppose this is your x-axis, this is y-axis, and if this line is your EF, which is intersecting the x-axis at point M suppose, okay? Clearly we can see M will be having some abscissa, but y coordinate is 0. That means I can take the point M as a comma 0. And since M lies on the line EF, therefore if you put this value on this equation, it should satisfy the equation. Okay, so from there we can get the value of A. So let line EF intersects the x-axis at point M, where M is what? A comma 0. Therefore, now put a comma 0 in this equation. Y is equal to x plus 4. So 0 is equal to, in place of a plus 4. So a is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the coordinates of M is minus 4 comma 0. Don't worry about the diagram. It was just a rough diagram to make you understand. Actually, the line should be something like this because it is minus 4, so it should come like this, okay? But don't worry about the diagram. So this way, we can solve this question. Let's start with the next sum. Question number 18. Find the intercepts made by the line 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. Okay? What does it mean? Suppose I have these are my coordinates, x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin. You have this line which is given to you as 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. You need to find out this line makes the intercept on both the axes. Means this is the y-intercept which you need to find out what is it, and this is the x-intercept which you need to find out. Okay? So let us consider this line is intersecting the x and y axis at point A and point B respectively. Clearly from the diagram we can say point A is A comma 0 and point B is 0 comma B. Now very clearly if this point lies on this line, therefore if we put A comma 0 in place of x and y, it should satisfy. Same thing with this point also. So let us do this. Since A, that is A comma 0, lies on the line 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Now put the values over there. 2 in place of x will write A, minus 3 in place of y will write 0 plus 12 equal to 0. That is 2a equal to minus 12. Or A is equal to minus 12 upon 2, that is A is equal to minus 6. That means your A point is minus 6 comma 0. Again, don't worry about the diagram. The point should come here, that means a line is lying like this. It is just for the understanding I am drawing a rough diagram. So minus 6, that means your x-intercept is 6 units. Okay? Similarly, do this for the B point also. Since B, that is your 0 comma B, lies on the line 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into, in place of x will write 0, minus 3b plus 12 equal to 0. That is minus 3b is minus 12. Minus and minus gets cancelled. B is equal to 4. That means your this point is 0 comma 4. That means your y-intercept is what? Y-intercept is 4 unit. Okay, so this way we need to do the 18th question. Let us proceed with the next sum. 19th question. Find the equation of the line passing through the points P 5, 1 and Q 1, minus 1. Hence, show that P, Q and R R which is 11, 4 are collinear. So again we have been given 2 points, so we can find out the equation by 2 points form. Okay, so let us write P which can be denoted as x1, y1, which is your 5, 1, and Q which can be denoted as x2, y2, and which is your 1, -1. So we need to find out the equation. So equation of PQ, which form you are using? 2 points form. First we'll write down the form, that is y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Put the values. Y minus y1 is 1, y2 is -1 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 is 5, x2 is 1 minus 5. So y minus 1 upon -2, x minus 5 upon -4. So from here minus and minus, 2 and this will get cancelled. Get to this side, 2 whole into y minus 1 is equal to x minus 5. Let us calculate this. 2y minus 2, x minus 5. 2y is equal to x minus 5 plus 2, that is 2y is equal to x minus 3. So this is the equation of the line, 2y is equal to x minus 3. This is the first part. Second part, you have to show that R, which is 11, 4, is collinear with P and Q. Collinear with P and Q means it is on the same line. If P, Q are like this, then R should be lying on the same line. So we got the equation of PQ. If R lies on this line, then it should satisfy this equation, right? So let us see this. If R lies on PQ, then what will happen? PQ is what? 2y is equal to x minus 3. Then it should satisfy. Then it should satisfy the equation. What is the equation? 2y is equal to x minus 3. Now let us put the values. 2 into y. Y is given 4. X is 11 minus 3. So 8. And here also we are getting 8. Since it is satisfying, therefore we can say PQ, R are collinear. Therefore P, Q and R are collinear. Verified. Now the 20th question, find the value of A for which the following points A, 3, B, 2, 1 and C, 5, A are collinear. Hence find the equation of the line. Now understand one thing here, like if these 3 points are collinear, suppose this is your A, which is A, 3, this is B, which is 2, 1 and this is C, which is 5, A. If these are collinear, then they will be having the same slope. Because see, all these points have the same slope. Slope means the angle which the line is making towards the positive direction of x-axis. So all these points will have the same slope. So I can write it here, since A, B and C are collinear, therefore slope of AB should be is equal to slope of BC, or it should be equal to slope of CA as well. So I have taken 2, slope of AB, this line ka slope, and BC, this line ka slope. Both of the slopes are equal. So slope of AB, here now before that you need to consider like A point is x1, y1, which is given A, 3. B point is x2, y2, which is given 2, 1, and C point is x3, y3, which is given 5, A. That you write down in the beginning only, okay? So slope of AB will be what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And slope of BC will be what? y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. Right? Now put the values. y2 is 1 minus 3, x2 is 2 minus a, y3 is a minus 1, x3 is 5 minus 2. Now let us calculate this. Minus 2 upon 2 minus a minus 1 upon 3. Cross multiply 2 minus a into a minus 1 is minus 6. So it's 2a minus a square minus 2 plus a is equal to minus 6. So it's minus a square plus 3a minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So I'm getting minus a square plus 3a plus 4 equal to 0. Let us take minus common and utilize it. A square minus 3a minus 4 equal to 0. Now split the middle term. A square minus 4a plus a minus 4 equal to 0. So I am getting, if a is common, a minus 4 plus 1 common, a minus 4 equal to 0. Two factors are a minus 4 and a plus 1 equal to 0. So a minus 4 is 0, a is equal to 4, or a plus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 1. Okay. So either a will be 4 or a will be minus 1. We got the value of a. Now we have to find out the equation of the line. So along with the value of a, we can find out the equation of the line. Let us find out the slope of the line first and then the equation of the line. So if I put the value of a over here, see this part is giving me the slope of the line. Okay. So slope is equal to, just put the value of a over here, minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 minus, if I take 4, then it is minus 2 upon minus 2, that is 1. And if I put 2 minus, in place of a, if I put minus 1, that will give you minus 2 upon 3. So either the slope is 1 or minus 2 upon 3. Now we need to find out the equation of the line. Let me rub the other part. So let me erase this part. So we can get the equation of the line by slope point form. Equation of the line. Which form I am using? Slope point form. Okay. What is that form? Y minus y1 is equal to m whole into x minus x1. Now we have two values of m. So when m is equal to 1, y minus y1. Now you can take any of the values. I am taking this value because both of these are given. Any of the point you can take. Y minus, in place of y1 I am taking 1 is equal to slope is 1, x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 2, y is equal to x minus 2 plus 1, y is equal to x minus 1. This is the equation of the line when m is equal to 1. Another thing, when m is equal to minus 2 by 3, then it will be y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole into x minus 2. Get 3 this side. 3 y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. So this is 3y minus 3 minus 2x plus 4. So 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 4 plus 3. That is 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So this is the equation of the line when the value of m is minus 2 by 3. So we get two equations of the line. One is y is equal to x minus 1 and the other one is 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. Question number 22. ABCD is a parallelogram where A, X, Y, B 5, 8, C 4, 7 and D 2, minus 4. Find the coordinates of A and also the equation of the diagonal B. So let us draw a rough diagram ABCD. This is a parallelogram where your A is X, Y, B is 5, 8, C is 4, 7 and D is 2, minus 4. Always remember, when we name the parallelogram, it has to be in a circular manner. You can do A, B, C, D or A, B, C, D anyway, but don't break it. A, B, C, D is wrong. It's a common mistake, so I told you it has to be in a circular manner, the name of the parallelogram. Okay, now we know that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So if O is a diagonal, O is the point where the diagonals are intersecting, then O will be the midpoint of BD as well as AC, because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So I write it here, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. This property we are using. Therefore, O, suppose this is H comma K. O, H comma K is the midpoint of, first I am taking BD. It is a midpoint of BD. So now use the midpoint formula. What is that? H is equal to 5 plus 2 upon 2, which is 7 upon 2, and K is equal to 8 minus 4 upon 2, that is 2. Okay, so O we are getting as 7 by 2 comma 2. Now O is the midpoint of AC as well. Okay, I am writing it here. O is the midpoint of AC as well. So again use the formula, midpoint formula, that is our H, that is 7 by 2 is equal to x plus 4 upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. X plus 4 is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. We'll use that for y also, that is your K. K is equal to y plus 7 upon 2. So K is equal to y plus 7 upon 12. Your K is 2. So here you put 2. 2 is equal to. So 4 is equal to y plus 7. Y is equal to 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. So you got x is 3 and y is minus 3. Therefore we got the coordinate of A. The coordinates of A is 3 comma minus 3. Okay, so the first point we got, first part, that is the coordinates of A. Second thing they are saying, the equation of the diagonal BD. Now if you see here, B point is given, D point is also given. So we can find out the equation by 2 points form. So I'll do it here. Equation of BD. Here you can write down 2 points form. We are using this form. What is that? Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay? Now, I am considering this as B as x1 y1 and D as x2 y2. Okay? So just put it there, y minus y1, that is y minus 8, y2 is minus 4 minus 8, x minus x1, x1 is 5, divided by x2 is 2 minus 5. Now just calculate this, y minus 8 upon minus 12, x minus 5 upon minus 3, minus minus cancels, 3, 4, cross multiply, y minus 8 is equal to 4 whole into x minus 5. Now we have to calculate this more. I'll just erase this part. Okay, I hope you are understanding from here. Y minus 8 is equal to 4x minus 20. So y is equal to 4x minus 20 plus 8. Y is equal to 4x minus 12. So this is the equation of the diagonal BD. We completed till question number 22 today from ML Aggarwal. In our next video, we are going to solve few more sums. There are 35 sums in this exercise. So in the next video, we will complete with this exercise and then we'll move on to the next exercise. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.